Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with my friends, Plasticprehistory from Instagram, and my brother Emmett. And he goes by Volt on social media. But regardless, so we're at ToyTraders, this amazing, just outstanding place here in Langley, British Columbia, Canada. And it's just loaded with all these different classic themes and brands, and it's unbelievable. It's just insane. One of the best stores ever. So we're going to take a look inside, and I'll give you guys a little tour.
Yeah. Well, no, it doesn't work that way anymore because everything's
Look at all those pops. Where is it? Okay, dude, let's head to the Schleich section. Schleich? See, this is the go-to place for us dino collectors here in British Columbia. The lower mainland, there's a few cool places. What is that?
Dino mug.
Oh, it's got a footprint. That's wicked.
So cool.
21 new original package. That's
Not even
wicked.
that bad, honestly.
Yeah. Okay. Because here we have some models. We got Safari now as a brand that they carry. And, oh, they've got some new figures in.
Yeah, look at them all.
Look at the new Capro. Get in here. Look at that Packy. Cephalosaurus. They got the new Apado.
Oh! Ugh.
I know.
It looks like a plastic sack.
God. Look at how saggy it is. Saggy skin. It's all wrinkly.
Just like make one good figure.
Why is the details gotta be like that? Anyways, the Capro is pretty nice. It's kind of like a cheaper version of Papos. And if you take a look, they've got the Safari Ichthyosaur, which is really beautiful.
Okay, that's really nice. Streamline.
The colors
paint.
are realistic. It came from there.
That's very nice.
I actually like the Pachycephalosaurus. Not really the head. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, that's not.
It's not bad, but look at the side view from the head.
Also the elephantine skin.
Oh, the teeth. Why's it got beaver teeth? Okay, the body and the head, but not the tip of the face. That one's the best. That is the most best figure they've ever created.
Dimetrodon isn't even that horrible.
What the heck?
That is actually vile.
It is. It is so bad.
But this is even worse. What is that?
Oh god.
It's a brachiocephalic dragon.
Excuse me? Hey, these actually line up well size-wise. I like that. Even though this one's considered juvenile.
This is actually pretty cool.
It's like the real one. And I love the detail on it too. Oh, Ceratosaurus?
Can you say Jurassic World ripoff?
Oh, yeah. I can't. I wish they made it in a standing position. This is good. This is gold. Look at that.
I like the color scheme. I'll give it that.
That is nice. How much is it? 22. Oh, I'm always wanting to get this. It'll wait because I'm actually on the hunt for. I'm on the hunt for the Mattel version. When they make Dracorex the same size as the Pachycephalosaurus, or at least a similar size, you know, because one's supposed to be the juvenile version. See, they've got some Safari there. What else is there? I mean, I like that Cerato's position too. A little docile looking, but we ignore that. The Dimorphodon's pretty cute too. They did a redo of the Ankylo. They got these new sets in. They don't have the big HQ. They have that at Indigo and Chapters, but they have like the smaller sets. Dude, this is a perfect addition. No dinosaur, no nothing. It's just a dinosaur pen, and
you can never have enough of those.
Exactly. So this is like a stand-in for Mattel cages, and it says it combines with the HQ set to make a bigger cage wall.
Love it.
God, see, they're picking up where Mattel is lacking. That's actually really nice. I wonder the scale of it. I'm guessing obviously it's probably gonna be as tall as the box is. How much is this? Only 16 bucks? Bruh, I'm about to, I don't know, man, I might get this. 3 cage.
Need to be made on time.
If I get 2 of them, that's 6. And if it's in scale with that set, okay, I'll think about it. If I don't find anything else, I might be tempted to get 1 or 2 of these. Okay, so let's check out the used section. Sometimes they have safari tubes here as well.
Check if they're on sale.
When there's a new beetle, I still have yet to upload that video. I'm gonna upload it soon. This is arriving soon. Ooh. Maybe in a different aisle. They got the spino.
It's so weird seeing like the ones I played with as a kid.
Yeah, like the
being,
older
like,
stuff.
discontinued.
I know, right?
It feels so like I
When
have
I was
those
a kid, I
Huskies.
wanted that one
Yes,
so bad.
me
I
too.
saw it, and they always had it on display with the dinosaurs.
I have that one.
Which one?
The top right there.
And you've never brought it out for photography?
I don't know where it is.
What do you mean?
I have
How
these.
do you lose something? Your house is so tiny.
I have those kittens. I have the Huskies.
Uh-huh.
It feels so weird. I have those little baby chicks. Like
That is so cute.
I have that big black mare.
Wow, you were really big on collecting animals.
Oh yeah. Well, that was my escape into the world when I was little. Because I couldn't go anywhere.
Aww.
Which sounds so depressing.
It does. Well, now that you got a job, you can save up and you can travel places. And now that my parents are, now that we're moving, I have more money to do stuff. Articulation's pretty interesting on that one. I wonder what brand. Probably, Swipe. Or not Swipe. Let's go check out the Lego section. Oh, they got old Bionicle. Yo, look at that one. $100. That one was amazing back in the day. I love the style too. Classics. That one's also 100? Crikeys. Good thing I don't fully collect them. I'm not that crazy. Got the new Ecto one. Oh, Indiana Jones, dude. Indiana Jones Lego sets. Look at that. I did not know that set existed. That's so cool.
How are these worth $24.95 now? A single raptor.
Excuse me? They're usually $50. That's a good price.
How much were they retail to begin with? No, I mean a single raptor.
Oh, they've always been expensive. I think that's been the starting retail for them, even when they first came out.
That is bizarre.
I know. You should see the old Indominus, the white one. That one goes for like $200 to $500.
What the heck?
Yeah, it's crazy. That's why I've been collecting each one as they come out, because they are worth a lot. Like a lot, man. Oh, they got the inbox one too. Shark ball. Cute.
Shark ball, shark ball.
Look at all that G.I. Joe. Sorry, I'm so used to being here, I forgot that I'm also showing it off on YouTube for y'all.
I unironically want a shark ball.
How much is it?
11.95.
Whoa. Okay. I got some Star Wars Lego. Cutting you up more Star Wars Lego.
That actually reminds me of an unused creature in the Dark Crystal.
Uh-huh. Yo, it's Emmett.
There's so much to look at before we make a selection.
Some more dinosaurs.
Where? There?
Down here.
What do you mean? We're being led to dinosaurs. Oh,
A skeleton.
a skeleton.
For some reason, no, there's
I like the old Beast Wars. Did they really do a Draco Rex?
oh look, and here's your
Dude, Draco Rex Transformer.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
We're getting some publicity for it. Oh, cool.
Megatron. Because they really did King Kong vs. Godzilla.
Yeah.
Last time I was here, they had those mini, I forget what they're called, but you know the minifigures with the cards in package upstairs.
Excuse me, what? Say that
Like
again.
multiple of those mini steel metal.
Did you not take the photos of them and post it? Bruh.
I'm stupid.
When she doesn't post on Instagram at all. Okay, now we're going upstairs, because upstairs is where all the cool stuff is. All the actual rare old stuff.
Yeah, they're still here, all three of them.
How much?
$19.95 each.
Whoa, I got a full set of them in package for $1 each when I was a kid, and I opened them all.
Well, there are 3 different ones.
So that would be 60 bucks. Nice. And also about that, back in the day, and when I say back in the day, I mean like a few years ago, maybe even 2 or 3, they used to have a fully stocked Mattel, Kenner. They had
with all the
gear and they had the mobile command unit.
That's where I got my first retro, like proper retro Kenner figure.
This is where I got my my command center. No, my what was it called? From the first Kenner one. It's like the command center, I guess. There's mobile command unit, and I guess this one's a command center. I got that with the front gates complete. I got my kicking Utah Raptor for like 50 bucks.
That's complete. Gonna be here forever.
Yeah. Oh, poor buddy.
It's worth $99.95.
Yeah. What?
The Vermont you have is worth $99.95. Your X.
Nice. And I also got my Coelophysis here. Or Coelophysis, I guess it's plural.
Coelophysi.
No, ew. What are you, Twitter paleontologist?
What is the connection there?
They're making up their own little plurals for all these odd names. Yo! Mario!
Supramero! My culture.
Racism.
I'm literally Italian, but okay.
Your mom's super Italian.
Yes, she is. She's the most Italian out of any of us.
That's crazy.
Culturally.
Yes. Is she good at Italian food cooking?
Yes.
Bruh, you should have me over. I'd love to eat some of your Italian food.
Okay.
How much is that guy? Oh, now you're doing a post.
Yeah, why not?
Look at Ghostbusters. I got some of these old figures. And I love how they always play like old. There's some dinosaurs. Oh, look at that! That is super cool.
Yeah.
It's got like a ceratopsian frill. Diversity and the amount of old Kenner stuff, especially Jurassic Park, that's been here. You know how it's just been diminishing really rapidly. Despite that, it's just a fun place to visit, and I get like Schleich and stuff from, which you can't really get from anywhere else. But like, say museums have the old Safari and Schleich figures. They're not old, but you know, just carrying the lineup in general. Oh, it's a Megatron I have that I was talking about. Probably a Jurassic Park game somewhere hidden in here. Turok. Let's play that. No, this. What is that?
Vintage Game & Watch, $109.95.
That's cool. So yeah. I'm gonna say that's it for the video. It's 15 minutes now. I got some ET booty, double cheeked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing quick look at this wicked, awesome store that we got here in Langley. And I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.